Hi everyone, my name is Manius Dosius. I am from Haiti. So today I am here to present you guys all about the touristic attraction of my country. Then Haiti is one of the Caribbean countries. Its capital is Port-au-Prince. Its official language are Creole and French. The official currency is good. Touristic place. You can visit Citadelle La Ferrière. It is historic place in the north of the country. You can visit Bassin Bleu waterfall. It is natural touristic attraction. If you are in Haiti, you can't miss to visit Royal de Cameroon Indigo Beach Resort. Typical dishes. The Haiti typical dishes are frittata or griot. Typical or popular. The Haiti typical popular drink are jus citron and beer prestige. The national dance is compa voodoo. The culture of Haiti is an eclectic mix African, Taino, and European element the French colonization. Thank you, teacher.